Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
All right, good morning, everybody. I'm Clyde, and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. If it's your first time here, leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to reach out to you. And if you are already here and you already support my channel, I appreciate you guys even more, because I wouldn't be where I'm at if it weren't for you guys. So y'all inspire me to make better videos, to keep pushing. Summer, cold, winter, and fall, I'm a year-round fisherman. Hey, what can I say? So y'all keep doing what you're doing. I appreciate you guys so much. I will make sure I definitely comment to your video, your comments and everything. So no further ado, let's see if we can find some bass in this beautiful place. Oh, and this is the first time I ever been here on the bank. Me and my mom used to fish this place when I was a child. And 40 years later, I'm not trying to tell you how old I am, but that's how long it's been since I actually fished this water. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can make it happen. Got him. Yes, sir. It's on camera, so I feel. All right, guys. Better late than never. Hi guys, at this place in Windsor. Y'all guys never be able to find it even if I tell you where it was. But finally got on my first one, guys. Did get him in the corner of the mouth though. That's pretty good. He's so dark. Look at the color on him. He's very dark. Let's get him back in the water, guys. Oh my goodness. I was like dragging him along with the boat. Let's get him back in the water. Booyah! Let's get this guy back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Woo, Lordy. Hallelujah.
Yes, sir, bro.
Thank you. Highly upset. At least. At least.
Yeah, at least 18 is solid. That's about three. Yeah. Oh, you want 3?
All right, guys. I did weigh him. 211. Let's revive him and get him back. Thank you, sir. Get in here, buddy.
Figure it out. Gotta figure it out.
A little bit. Oh man, he took that sucker down yonder. Patrick, he got that thing way down there. All right, this is gonna take some time. GoPro, start recording.
Oh yeah.
Ugh.
Way to go, Brookside. Put together a solid bag right there.
Yes, sir. I just wish they had some size to them. But that's all right, though. It's first day out here. Man, I'm enjoying this, Patrick.
Oh yeah.
Y'all look at this. Nice ones. Well, I can't make no short, guys, but y'all check this out. Let's get them back in the water. Oh, that joker did like this. Skip in the water. Beautiful moment. That black worm, man. Tell me, they can't resist it. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Oh. It's a big dude here. So what? Ugh. Getting ready to get slimy. Man, this dude got a head on him. Oh, came right out. Y'all check this out, guys. I don't know if this counts or not. But, all right, let's get this guy back in the water. Patrick, I'm definitely going to have to come here again. Let's get him in the water. Thank you, buddy. This is crazy. I'm serious, man. I'm really enjoying this. I'm serious. I'm serious. It's them black worms, man. Woo! I told you. I knew it was one in there somewhere. All right, let's get this healthy guy back in the water, guys. I think pretty good. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for visiting, guys. First time fishing the lake.
Oh man, watch the video and watch this guy right here. He got him dialed in. He might try to be humble about it right now, but he got him dialed in. New place, and he just, man, awesome.
It took some work, but man, this is my first actual time fishing a lake. Is it your first time?
But yeah, pretty much.
So I guess it was a cut and dry first run. Great video as far as being on the river, guys. So hey, we definitely go ahead to do it again. So Patrick, anything else you want to say?
No.
Well, I tell you what, y'all guys stay tuned. Make sure you check out the videos because we're going to bigger and better things. You agree?
I agree.
Well, in that case, we'll see y'all guys on the next one. Y'all have a good one.